To get Temu discount code for above $100, how you can get it? You simply have to search this on your Google and click on the first website called noji.com. In this website, you can see $125 off Temu promo codes coupon active till the 19th of August 2024. This was the first website. Now click on the second, that is Retail Me Not. In this website, you will see a lot of code available. That is, you can see 1.4k used today. Click on the show code option to get a code, and then you can copy it to the payment page of Temu and get or claim the discount right away. Now we will move to this third website, that is cnncoupons.com. This website is also one of the best and genuine promo code providers. On the right of the screen, you can see 30% off, 50% off, and 70% off gift card reward and different type of coupons available listed here. This is how you can find them easily and redeem it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates like this.